Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Enable Wi-Fi on both devices and open the TV's screen share or AirPlay menu. Once done, on your phone choose the LG TV name in the cast list. Make sure the TV input stays on the built-in screen share app rather than HDMI. If you see a prompt on the TV, accept or enter the shown PIN on your device. This first step gets the handshake going so the devices can negotiate resolution and latency settings for a stable connection. Once your device finds the TV, tap Connect and allow any permission requests. You'll see a preview while they sync. If video stutters, change the TV picture mode to game or low latency and lower the phone's streaming resolution. This reduces processing time. Make sure both devices are on the same router band. 5 GHz is preferable for video. If you plan to mirror for a meeting, close background apps using bandwidth, so audio stays in sync and frames remain smooth. To finish, end casting on your phone or select exit on the TV. The session closes cleanly and the TV returns to its previous input. If the screen share fails, reboot the TV and router, then reconnect. This clears network conflicts and cached pairings. Make sure the TV firmware is current. Updates fix many compatibility bugs. One quick troubleshooting tip: if audio is missing but video plays, toggle the TV's sound output between TV speakers and external.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.